This is the button where you can click and you can see all these options. You can select presentation, Instagram post, logo, flyer, poster, everything. So you name whatever the design content is required and it is available on Canva. Now, apart from all these content which are there.
Hello. Prasanna, please just a minute. Please just a minute. Yogesh Mangarekar. Yogesh, 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 you are in a present mode and that disturbs the all the group. The main speaker will not able to do the presentation. Yeah, please. Prasanna, now you have to again present. Go to
Okay,
the present now.
okay, okay. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'll again go back to the present. Okay, fine. Now it's visible.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So Canva.com will allow you to create any kind of designs as you see on the screen. You can create presentations, you can create a logo, flyer, poster, newsletter, everything. Now, with respect to social media, because what we are more concerned of today is social media, how to use and how to promote our business through social media. So just as I said, click on this option, create a design. Now I'll just start typing Facebook. So this is the first option. So you have all these options for Facebook. You have the normal option which we use, Facebook cover, which is the cover photo, the post which we generally create, story, video, all sorts of options are there. Each option is of different size, so you can't just copy paste one design from another. So you have to use all these different contents and create your own design. Now, for example, if you click on Facebook post, so now this will open up in a new tab and your post will be visible over here. This white button which you are seeing complete white screen. So this is the actual post size which is there of Facebook. Now you can use any of these ready-made templates from the left hand side. All these templates you can see. I just move over the mouse. Whichever template is free, you can use this as a free account. You can't use a paid template. So now this template will not be allowed. Newsroom because it's paid. If the template is given as free, now this first template, it's written free, so I can use these free templates. So you can choose any of the template which is free and use it. Now, for example, I want to select this template. I like it. I just have to click on the template and it will appear on the screen. Now, this is the exact size of your Facebook post. Now, all you have to do is change the content, change the images, and download this, or you can even directly publish it to Facebook. Other option is download the image on your computer, laptop, and then open Facebook and upload it to Facebook. Now, how to change all this content? It's simple. The text, you just have to double click and edit the text. Images, you can directly superimpose your image on this one. You can go to uploads, upload your own images which you require for designing content posting. Say, for example, this image I have already uploaded. I just have to drag and drop the image on the image over here. So I just move it and drop it over here. It's as simple as that. So whichever image I require, I'll just have to drag and drop. See, all three images have been replaced immediately. Now, just the text. I'll click, put my name, whatever I want to put. Now you can see the text is a little large. It is going out of this screen. So what I need to do is select the text and reduce the font size till it fits in the exact size. Now it is fitting perfect. Now I just have to replace this with my website link and that's all. So you have your design ready in minutes. You don't have to go to a designer. You don't have to spend money You don't have to worry how you can create content. Everything is ready in Canva, and all you have to do is use the ready-made template, put in your own content, and now just done. You have to replace this name with the name which you want to say. I replace it with Elisa 01. So this is the, I'm just giving an example. You can rename it with the file name you want. Now, for example, if you are creating a Facebook post, put your file name as fbpost01 example. Now, when you are creating a new post, the first post has been created. Now, suppose next week again you want to create a new post. Open this same file, open up this same file and click on this add page option. Now you will get a second page, page 2. Now again you can go back to templates, select any other pre-template which you want and create your design again. As simple as that. You just have to go on adding pages to that file, and when you go and click on download now after you add multiple pages, you just have to select either PNG or JPG. So if you are having a problem of net, your connectivity is not so good, choose a low resolution file, that is JPG. And if you want to have a high resolution, good quality file, always keep it as PNG. Now, page 1, page 2, I want to select which page I want to download. So select, click on the button over here, and you can select which page you want to download. Then it's done, and yes, you click on download and your file elisa01.png will be downloaded to your computer or laptop. Then you can go open up Facebook and upload that image over there, and along with that add your text, add your content, your website link, any of the call to action which you want to insert, any inquiry form, anything you want to put, all you can do that and add it. It's very simple and handy to use and create designs with Canva. Now, this is the first basic step required in digital marketing, because a design or a creative, it speaks out more than 1,000 words. So if your creative is good, your design is nice, people will definitely appreciate it, people will look into it, and they will take note of it. So you need to make sure that you are creating good designs, good content, and posting it. So you can use this for any greetings which you want to give, Diwali, New Year, any greetings, birthday greetings, anything. You want to put out a flash sale, promotion, any kind of trainings, anything you want to do. All these things can be created with Canva. Now, this is the design which we used for Facebook post. Now, similarly, if we go back to the main Canva tab, now instead of Facebook, you can choose, if you are posting on Instagram, select Instagram and select Instagram post. So now you will be able to design content for Instagram post, because the sizes are totally different. Your Facebook post size is different, Instagram post size is different. You can't just copy one design to the another. So it's you have to create a separate design and put it. Now, when you're creating a Instagram post, if you have already created a Facebook post, you don't have to recreate the post, but all you have to do is upload that same post which you have created onto that Instagram design and resize it. I'll just show you. Now, this is the Instagram post size. So when you upload a Facebook post onto it, it will not fit in exactly. You will have to resize it accordingly. So all you have to do is go on this uploads button over here first and click on upload media. And you can see this is the Facebook post. Creativity is intelligence, having fun. This is a Facebook post which I had created. So similarly, you can choose your media, upload media, device, and then you can select from your laptop or desktop, whichever file you have already created for the Facebook post. You can upload it over here. Once it is done, it will appear over here on the upload section. Now this is uploaded already, so I just have to click on this image. It will appear in the center. Now hold this image in the center with your mouse and drag it to the corner. It's duplicated, so I delete it. Now hold it from the corner, any one corner. Now this corner, obviously, because I'll have to drag it down. So I hold it from the corner and drag it down. You can see it is not fitting in exactly. In Facebook, this design was perfect, but now in Instagram, with this design, you are having blank space below. So this is the difference. So you can't just copy one design and post it on the another. So social media all have different sizes. Now I'll have to either fill up this space with some text, or then I can add a simple background. So whichever background I like it, again choose any of these free backgrounds, don't choose a paid one, and the rest of the design will be filled up with the background. So I can choose keep on changing the background till I like it. You can repeatedly change it. Don't worry about that. You can keep on changing it till the time you find it that yes, this is okay, this background is okay. Now if you want to fit it to the center, all you have to do is just drag it and fit it in the center. Now when you move this image, you will see some guidelines which are coming. This blue color and violet color guidelines will show you that you are fitting the image exactly in size. So this helps you. Resizing, as I said, drag from the corner. You can resize the image, again enlarge it. Now, if you want to cut the image, make it smaller in size, from the center, you can crop the image. तो आपको लग रहा है कि empty space यहाँ पे है, you don't want that empty space, remove it. You can crop this image also. Fine, very well. Now this is done. Now this looks good to me. So again, I drag it, fit it to the corner, and again, I increase the size and fit it. So this process can be repeated n number of times till you find the design is okay and it is exactly fitting in your specifications. So how the way you want, if it's fitting in, then it's okay. Now you just have to go over here, select again, you can give a new file name. So we had put that file name Elisa01. So I put it Elisa02 and save it. Then I can download it and put it on Instagram. So this way you can create all type of different. You just have to press enter after you write the file name and it will be saved. So similarly, you can choose all different types of social media. For YouTube, you have a banner which you can create for YouTube. For LinkedIn, you have a story which you can create. Again, for Facebook, Instagram, you have story which you can create. So all social media sizes are given there ready-made. Everything you can design with Canva. So not only social media, as I said, you can design a flyer, poster, logo, presentation, everything you can do. So all this content designing is possible with Canva. Now going ahead with designing, you want to create a simple video also. So you have already created design. Now you want to create video. Now this video content can be created with Canva itself, but I want to show you a different software wherein you can use for creating simple videos, and that is Lumenfy. This is a free software. Again, you can log in Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, any ID you use, and you select or create your video over here and start with that. You just have to use any type of video format, whichever you want, vertical video, square video, any type of video format, and the ready-made template. So it's much similar to Canva. What you can do is you have to design your content, you have to put your text, and your video is ready. Now, the only difference between this and Canva is in Lumen, you have a fixed quantity of text which you can enter. So whatever text you are entering will be of fixed value. So you can enter only the specified format which is given or the template which you select out of that. But in Canva, you don't have such limitations. You can do anything and much more creative in that. But of course, that requires much more technical knowledge and much far greater designing capability. Lumen is much easier to simply create your own video. You can download this video in MP4 format and use it. So create short videos. Generally, video which we create for promotions will be in the range of 30 to 45 seconds. So ideally beyond that, don't go. 30-45 seconds is more than enough for creating a video and engaging your audience. If you create a smaller video, people will not get the gist of your content. If you create a larger video, people will lose interest and probably go out from your video halfway. Ideally, selecting a 45 seconds to 1 minute time will give you maximum visibility and obviously then maximum you can get leads from that. So this is how you create video content similar to designing. Now in Canva also you have an option for creating video. You can just click on video and you can choose any of these types. So similarly for Facebook post which we were creating, we can choose Facebook video. Options are the same. You select a template, change your content and done. Only thing is that in the video file, the template will be in the form of video. It will be moving, the tech content will be moving and you can use this ready-made designs against which are free and create your own content the same way which we created with the text. Only difference is that now this will be a background file which will be with a some kind of movement or some kind of uh, motion which will give a video effect to this file. You see this background, it's changing, it's automatically changing this background after a predetermined time. So that kind of video effects, you can choose any of the file which is free. Again, make note of it. You can't choose a template which is paid. So you will have to choose a template which is free. So any template which you choose, select a free template, change your content, and you can download this small 5 seconds video. It's as easy as that to create a video. You can even add simple audio to your file. Obviously, you can add only this audio which is ready-made. You can't upload any direct audio files over here. But what you can do is you can go in uploads and here you can even add your background voiceover and put your voiceover over here. You can add your voiceover to the video file. So that option is also available to you. So you can use a lot of creativity with Canva while designing content. So any kind of content you design, whether it is designing a post, whether it is designing a cover, anything you have to design, all sorts of content, it's very easy to design that content. Now we move on to the next part. We have seen how to design content and how to create that and how to put it on social media. Now, if you want to create your own website, you can use this ready-made software called Wix.com. It's a free to use software for creating your website, basic website, which is a subdomain. So you can see this over here, psrisbut.wixsite.com/rebuild. It's a subdomain. This is not my own domain. It's a completely free site which I can use, create, and host on Wix. I don't have to pay a single penny for that. But if you want your own domain, your own hosting, like my domain over here, prasannarisbut.com, you can create the site, host it on your own domain, and do everything with Wix. You don't have to go anywhere else. You can book your domain on Wix, host your site on Wix, design, create all content with the website builder on Wix, everything you can do. Even if you want to have a email address, official email address for your domain, that also you can choose it with Wix. So everything is available. Obviously, that is a paid content. You will have to pay for the domain, you will have to pay for the web space, designing and everything. But if you are using a free site, nothing. It's completely zero. All you have to do is select any of the ready-made templates. You can just select create new site after logging into Wix with your Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, any of the ID you can use again. It's a free account and you can click on create new site. Once you click on create new site, you will get this tab and it will show you the options for creating a new site. Various types of different designs are there based on what you want to create. If, for example, I select business, so it will give me an option for creating a business. So now I will have to edit a template and choose a design for creating my business website. Now I can choose any template out of these, whichever I like, and I simply have to replace the content with my content as we did in Canva. Canva, the way we choose a template and create our design. Similarly with Wix, you just choose a template, edit the design, and yes, your website is ready in minutes, literally in minutes. You don't have to do anything. Just have to now click on this edit button, edit this template. Now, before going on to edit, first thing I will advise you is any template which you select, you like, first view all the templates one by one, check out whichever templates you like, view them first, check what kind of design they have given in the template, then make sure whatever content you want to use, what content do you want to replace with. आपका कंटेंट क्या है जो इसमें आप ऐड करना चाहते हो. Make sure that you want to replace which content with it. For example, now this logos over here, these logos will have to be replaced obviously with your logo. So make sure you do that. The menu which is there, so what menu do you want, what will be the name of the menu. Now in each and every menu, what text do you want, what is the background image which you want. Take a note of all that on paper. Make sure all your content is ready, the design, the text, everything. Once it is ready, then go on and click on the edit button and just simply replace that content with your own content. Now the edit button will open this website template in a new tab and you will get a website editor which is there. It will take time to load up since the editor is heavy. It's a heavy file. It will take time to load up. Till that time, as I told you, you can first make sure what designs you want to use, your logo, your photos, videos, your content, whatever you want to put on your website, keep all the content ready. So once you choose the template and go on the edit button and you are ready to edit the template, then you can simply just replace or drag and drop the content as we did with Canva. Similar way you can do on Wix, and yes, your website will be ready in minutes. So that is the only criteria which is required, and it's very easy. You can see now this template is ready, complete. Now all I have to do, you also have a ready-made video editor, so you can watch it on YouTube and learn how to create your own site yourself. This you can go through anytime. All I have to do is replace this name, double click. All I have to do is click on the image, click on change image and replace it with my own logo. Menu, I can just click the menu and edit it with this menu part over here. Page, home, all these menus are there. I can click on menus and pages and choose any of these menu to edit. This is as simple as designing your creative. You just have to go to each and every individual page. After you click on and edit your home page, click on the menus and pages and go to about us. It will go to the about page. Now change all the content in the about page, whatever you want. Change the text, change the images. Then again, click on menus and pages. Go to services page. So which service do you want? So whatever is the content which you want to replace, do it. Again, go to the next menu. It will be auto saved. All this will be saved auto. Everything will be done. And once you are done with, just have to click on the publish button. And that's all. Your website will be published. If you ignore the option to publish it on your own domain and upgrade, it will be published on a free domain, which is given by Wix. So just a minute, I'll just share the screen again. So then you have all your sites ready. Whichever site you create, it will be visible in your my sites, and you can easily edit these sites as and when you require. Again, want to edit any of these sites, you can just click on site actions and edit site. You have the option to edit the site any time you want to edit. N number of times you can edit. There is no specific limitation for that. You can do this and change this n number of times. So apart from creating a design, a video, you can also create easily your own website. It's as easy as that. You don't have to worry about anything technical. Even uploading the site, it's very easy. You just simply have to click on that publish button, which appears when you edit the website. Just click on the publish button and it's done. You don't have to use any file transfer protocol or any other software or any other technical thing which is required. Nothing. It's very simple, even for a layman to understand and create and upload your website. Very simple. So all these softwares are available for you for using all this for social media and your digital marketing promotion. You can use it on your own very easily, and you can create your own designs, create your own videos, create your own website. Everything you can handle it without taking a help of an external designer or a website maker. Anything. You can do everything on your own. All these things can be done even at your home. Just have to use your PC, log on to all these softwares, and you can do it. For anyone who requires any help
Yeah,
for
why not?
this, I'm always there, and I offer my training services regularly
We
for
will.
purpose, so that we can discuss it later and
Let go.
do that. Now, apart from these softwares, whichever we use for creating design, for
Now
creating
zoom in to access your camera
video
so that you can edit
website.
video calls.
I'm sorry, someone's mic is on. Please switch off your mic. So, what things remain is creating your email. Now, MailChimp offers you that simple capability. If you have an email database, you can use MailChimp. Again, this is a free to use software. Basic account is completely free, up to 2000 emails per month. You can send free of cost with MailChimp. All you have to do is log on to MailChimp, fill out all your details on MailChimp, because mailing requires all your personal data to be validated and shared with the person with whom you are sending the bulk mail to. So your name, address, everything has to be shared, and obviously your email address. So now through MailChimp, you can send emails which will be shown as being sent through your regular email address. Anyone replying to that email, it will be going to your regular email only. So if I'm sending bulk mails through MailChimp, but I'm using Gmail as my login, and I'm using esrisbod at gmail.com as my sending address, all the replies which will come through anyone else, I'm sorry, who's disturbing the presentation? Please switch off your mics. So all this content you are designing, your whichever email address you're using, to that same email address, you will get the reply. So you don't have to go to MailChimp again for checking replies for your email. So if you are using your Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo account, your replies will come on that same account. Only while sending, you have to use MailChimp and send all your emails. Now, why MailChimp? Because you can send it in bulk. Now, in bulk, you can use Gmail, Hotmail, or Yahoo also. But the limitation is you don't have a designing capability in these softwares. Also, when you're sending mail, when you put your email addresses in the to field, the mail is sent to everyone and everyone sees the other person's emails also, email address. So if you're sending, say, mail to 100 people and one person receives that email, but he is able to see all other 99 email IDs. That's the basic problem when you're sending mails with any of these free accounts. So in MailChimp, when you send 100 people one single mail, it is sent individually to everyone without anyone knowing to which other person this mail has gone. Nobody will come to know. And when they reply, all these replies will come in your regular email ID, whichever email ID you have given in MailChimp, Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo. So the reply will come there only. You don't have to come to MailChimp to check the replies. So this way you can use this email, bulk email. But remember not to spam email IDs. That is, don't send email IDs to unknown users. Rather, use this emailing software to send mails to your regular contacts, to your distributors, dealers, to your peers, to your colleagues, all those people. So you can create different tabs, different content in your contact list, wherein you can rename each and every different group in your audience and put it as, say, customers, dealers, friends, and to whomsoever you want to send. You can select only that particular list and send it to that list. So if you want to send a particular mail only to customers, you can select from that email list only customers and share it. So it's very handy and easy to do. So all you have to do is first click on this audience tab and create an audience. You have to add your contacts. Click on manage audience and use this import contact option. First, store all your contact details either in a Excel sheet or on a notepad word file, preferably in Excel because that becomes easy for you also to search for later on. So you can just simply copy paste that column, email ID column in Excel and click on this import contacts and import all the contacts easily in just 2 steps. All you have to do is click on copy and paste, continue to upload and just click over here and control V, paste, copy that email IDs in Excel, control C and paste over here, control V. It is simply copy paste. If you want to insert names, because that is required for personalization of your emails. So that you can do it and you can add names also. But it's much easier to just simply import the email addresses. Obviously, for unknown persons, if you are sending, it's better to send select only email addresses, but because then you can't add names of unknown persons. So that way, just select on that, continue to organize and finalize, and your content is ready. Once that is ready, your audience will appear over here like the way I have added. I have total 1016 contacts. Out of them, some have unsubscribed. So totally, I have 982 people who are still there in the subscriber list. Now I can simply go to my campaigns and send out a campaign to all these subscribers or to the individual list which I have created on that. All I have to do is create a campaign and start using any of the design in Canva. Select email, give a campaign name, give a random name to this, and you will have to choose again from templates the same way which we did in Canva. Wix, again for emailing, you have to select a template from MailChimp, design your own content, and that is done. First, you will have to select the subscribers to whom you want to send. You can select either all the subscribers, or as I said, you can edit recipients and select a segment or tab particularly. So this you can do when you add subscribers, and you can add them in a particular tag or segment. And while sending, then you can select that particular only, or you can select all subscribers. So both options will be available to you. Now just change your edit from name if you want to change. Now here it is Hotmail. I am using Hotmail as my login ID for MailChimp. But if I want to change from where the mail is coming, each and every time I create a new mail, I can edit it and I can use any email which I want to use. So now if I select Gmail, all the replies will come to Gmail. Subject, I can add a subject, and then for content, I can go to design email and select a template similarly as we did in Canva or Wix. Choose a template, edit that template, design your email, and then done. Click on send button. All your mails will be sent at a time immediately. You can send up to 2000 emails in a single go, but the limitation per month is 2000. So if you send 2000 all in one day, you won't be able to send anything for the rest of the month. Advisable is send out mails in batches. Say make 4 batches of 500 each if you have a database of 2000. 4 batches each, 500 each. Every week, send out one mail to every week. First week, first batch of 500, second week, second, and again repeat the same in the next month. So every month, you send out a mail to all the 2000 email addresses, and you can repeat that. So for people who are having a database of much more than 2000, how to do that? Obviously, the simplest way to do that is upgrade your account. If you don't want to pay, you can pull in your Indian Jugaad and create multiple accounts with your multiple email IDs. Always, obviously, remember to log in through different IP addresses. So a conflict, if at all it arises, will not. So if you are logging in from your home, say internet, which you are using Wi-Fi, and you log in from your desktop. So for your laptop, then you can either use some other Wi-Fi or your mobile data and log in to MailChimp and create another account with a different email ID. Like I have an email address psrisgood@gmail.com, psrisgood@hotmail.com. So then I will be able to create two accounts with Canva, on my computer with a different login, one on my laptop with a different login and a different IP. And then that will give me the ability to send 4,000 emails per month. Similarly, you can go on adding. If you have your staff who is working for you, you can tell them also to create their own account. As right now, everyone is operating from home. They can use this, create account, and keep on creating multiple email IDs. So if you have a database of 10,000, all you will need is 5 people who will log in from 5 different locations, each using a limit of 2000 and sending mails to everyone. It's as easy and simple as that. So a lot of creative options are there available with all this stuff, so which we used today. So right from creating designs to creating videos, creating websites, and creating bulk emails. Now, much more than that, you can decide if you want to go further and get trained in using all this properly. Apart from that, you can see how you can utilize various softwares which we use for different creativities. Various free softwares are there which we give out in our training sessions regularly. All content will be shared with you. Detailed training will be given in each and every software which we use today. We use total 8 sessions of 1 hour each, the similar way which we are logging right now. You can choose either one-to-one training, or if you want to attend all together, you can create a group. Obviously, in a group, you will be saving money, and you can create a group. You can decide among yourself and tell me. For one-to-one training, I'm charging 5,000 per person. One-to-one training, 8 sessions total of 1 hour each, twice in a week. So that is the training schedule. For a group, you can decide on. I will be charging only 1,000 rupees per person. 5 to 10 persons can join in the group, not more than that, because then it becomes overcrowded and you can't pay individual attention to everyone. That's why I avoid taking in more people in a group. So any of these options, if you want to get yourself trained, you want to register for the training programs, I'll just request you to take down my mobile number. It's 9322 706 109. Complete name is Prasanna Risbud, Risbud, and my email address, the one which I showed on MailChimp right now, psrisbud at gmail.com. That is my email. I'll just put it in the chat box also, so you can get it from the chat box. I'll put all the content in the chat box. So I'll put my email address and mobile number in the chat box. If anyone is not able to understand or get it, you can retrieve it from the chat box. I've put my email address and mobile number both in the chat box. So as a group, if you want to join, you can first decide amongst yourself totally. And if you form a group of 10 people, you can start with, depending on your schedule and my schedule, we can match up those schedules and then start up anytime. As I said, twice in a week, 1 hour each will be the training session. Say, for example, Monday and Thursday, 3 to 4 p.m. in the afternoon. I'm just giving an example. So the schedule will be each and every Monday and Thursday, total 8 sessions. So the training will be completed in 1 month completely. Now, apart from this, I'm also giving trainings for intermediate and advanced level. This is the basic level training. Apart from this, I also conduct branding sessions for LinkedIn. So if you want to have a proper LinkedIn profile and use it for lead generation and branding, you can join in for the LinkedIn session also. So any details you require of any of my training sessions, please do connect with me on my mobile number or email address. You can also WhatsApp me on this same number and we can connect and talk on it individually. So I once again thank you all of you for listening to my presentation patiently. Now any question and answers, if you have, just put it on the chat box so we don't disturb anyone, and one by one I'll answer your questions. Just put it on the chat box if you have any questions. Sir, please put your questions in the chat box so that I can answer it. Good. Okay, regarding the softwares which we have been using today, I'll at the end of the session, I'll send all these software links to Mr. Mari on his WhatsApp, and he can share it with you on your WhatsApp group. So that is easy for you to go through all these free softwares. Apart from that, okay, is there one button where you click and it goes to all social media like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram? You can use various tools wherein you can add all social medias, but generally all these tools are paid. They will offer you only one particular segment on free where you can add either Facebook or Instagram or everywhere. I'll send one or two of those links also, which will offer. Best way is to use your own personal account and post it directly on your Facebook or Instagram yourself. Don't try to use any such softwares. They are useful only for the case when you have a high number of accounts. Say for example you have multiple accounts. आपका अलग अलग पेजेस हैं फेसबुक पे 5-10 अलग अलग पेजेस हैं. You have multiple accounts. You are a celebrity. You have a huge fan following. Then use these softwares and automation for posting. But if you have a single account on Facebook, on LinkedIn, Instagram, I advise you to use only your direct accounts and post of them. It will hardly take 5 minutes each. Go on to Facebook, post your content, then go to Instagram, go to LinkedIn. It hardly takes 5 to 10 minutes for posting. So don't try to rely on these automation softwares. Can you tell me the website for sending bulk emails? It's MailChimp. I'll send you the link. I'll be sending the link to Mari sir on his WhatsApp. He will share it with you. Okay, Sales Panda does that for mutual fund. You can use it for automation. So you can use this software, Sales Panda. That can be done. It is automatic and lead generated comes on email. Yes, fantastic. This is a good software which you can use. One of the good softwares for lead generation as well as for bulk sending in different softwares. You can use that. You are interested in bulk mail and posting on Facebook and WhatsApp sharing. See, the training schedule is for all these softwares which we use. I'll be sending the complete training schedule which I take. Out of that, again, if you are doing it as a group, you can decide amongst yourself whatever you want to learn, and any of those which you don't want to learn, you already know, you can skip that, and we can take some other modules in there. See, tagging and all other stuff, we can't explain it in a small session like this. You can use hashtags, various hashtags which are there available on the net, but for explanation, it will take a lot of time. So we will have to do this in a one-to-one training session only. All any other additional questions, if you have, you can put it. You can use simple hashtags. Use your shift key and press 3. That is the hash symbol, and then start typing the hashtag which you want to put. But obviously, which hashtag to use and how to use that we cover it in the training sessions because that's a topic which is separate and elaborate. Seen on Instagram, one person talk and same appears within a white box. I didn't get your question. One person talks and same appears in a white box. See, that is basically they would have used subtitling software for their video, and that subtitling software is available. Uh, but generally, they are all paid softwares because when you talk on such softwares, you have to use these paid softwares always. I'll search for one free software which is there, Subly. I'll share that link with you if you want. You can try and use that. How to target unknown customers? Obviously, there is no other way to target unknown customers than to use marketing, promotion. Oh, you can do that only. You can't just blindly target anyone like that. So you have to use your promotional tools. You have to spend money and do promotions on Facebook or Google, get leads generated. Best way to do that is create free sessions like this, the one I'm using. Similarly, for your purpose, you can create free sessions, get people to come on to the free session, and on an average, you get a conversion ratio of say even 4 to 5%. It's more than enough. You get 50 people to come on to your free session, and out of that, at least 4 to 5 people, if they convert, it's nothing like that. You get a database also. Once people log in and register for your free session, you get a complete database. You have their name, mobile number, email ID. So even if they don't convert, you have that data with you always. You can keep on pitching them through email. Use MailChimp for pitching. So that everything you can use always for sending to unknown people. Body Talks instructs comes on Instagram. That's what I'm saying. It's a software called Subli, where you use subtitles on that software. So the subtitles can be used. Whatever you are speaking will come below on the screen in the form of subtitles. So that is a software called Subli. There are various other softwares also available, but Subli will give you around say 20 to 30 minutes of free time to use for creating your emails. One video, I think you can create up to 2 minutes maximum and create subtitles and post it. So similarly, you can use total 20 minutes in a free account. I'll share that link. You can use that. I have a complete presentation also with, I have it with me. I'll share the entire presentation with sir. So in that presentation, I'm giving a lot of different free tools apart from what we discussed today. All those free tools you can freely use all the questions which you are asking right now. I have shared a lot of free tools in that. Some free tools are for how you can take designs from different software. Generally, what we do creative, we take it from Google. कोई भी अच्छा लगेगा image हम लोग Google से ले लेते हैं. But many of images today are copyrighted. You can use it directly from Google. So you have to use with different softwares like Pixabay and other softwares which can give you free copyright free images. So I'll share that complete presentation also. You can go through all those links and use this free softwares. Okay, sir. Definitely, I'll book your name for my section. You can just put me your name, mobile number on email address on my WhatsApp, the same number 9322 706 109, and we can talk together in person then later on. Thank you. So with this, I end my presentation over here, and I hand you back over, Mari sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Prasanna ji. It was really the nice session. I know that how difficult it is to give the informations about the whole digital marketing, because this is today is a digital world, and today there are so many changes are happening and so fast. World is moving so fast. The previously communication was a really difficult task, but nowadays communication has become so easy that you can communicate with the lakhs of people within a second also. And how to make use of this digitalization for our own profession, that tricks you are giving to totally. And I know that one of your student has recommended your name. He is Abhay Gadia, and most of our members know him very well. And he is using the this digital marketing and doing the business even in this pandemic scenarios also. His business is going on. So I hope that with your support, our team, this Alika members, may get some ideas from you and some hand-on training, so that within this difficult task where the movement is absolutely restricted, nobody can move. Not only nobody can, but I request all my members also not to move much in an open market or in an open scenarios. Don't move, avoid the moving, avoid meeting the people, because if you go to meet one person, also you have to travel in so much process. So it is really difficult. Means you will be having a contact with so many people, and in this COVID era, it is advisable to avoid the personal meet. And if you want to avoid the personal meet, the only alternative remaining is the digital marketing. There is the only digital marketing source is available nowadays. And I think today, whatever you have shown, that is just uh, tip of an iceberg. It is not really course that which you conducted. Whatever you have given the small information, little bit informations on this today's session. Of course, it was really the nice session because I know that to start a website or to start this to send them bulk mails and etc. That most of our people they are having a problems or they are paying a really huge amount of it. Means the money saved is the money earned, and also use of a technology will improve in yourself. If you go for the ready-made something, then definitely there will not be any creativity. Your creativity is killed there. You have to do what they say only, that's all. But he has shown it here that okay, they might have given something to you, but you can change it with your ideas. Whatever you want to put it, you can put it on that. You have explained it very nicely how to change the pictures. You have very nicely explained how to replace the videos. You have also given an idea about the voiceover so that if that somebody is speaking, you can speak in your own word so that the people will relate to you. It's all these small tricks. I know that within a 1 hour it is not possible at all to give all the tricks of all these things. But at least you have tested it. You have given the test of it, and I think that most of the people definitely they will like this, and most of the people will like to join your trading session also. And definitely as I am receiving the um request from my members, I will communicate with you, and we can fix up the timing and all the sections, how we can go ahead with that. Thank you very much. Now may I request any other person who want to say something on the today's session. They can unmute yourself and they can express their views. And then uh, now time is almost all over. And then our treasurer, the Sanjay Parekh, the secretary, he will give the vote of thanks and announce the next sessions also, if it is in pipeline. And I think that I will request for the other people too, uh, if they want to express their views on the today's session, they can unmute yourself and they can speak. Is anyone want to speak something on the today's
Yes,
session?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, go
Sorry,
ahead.
I joined a little late, so I not followed what exactly this course is. So, can I get the recording of this today's lecture so I can listen again and then I can decide? Over. Hello.
I really enjoyed your session, sir. It was a totally new way of understanding how we can use it in our how we
Thank you.
can how we can use it on a regular basis. Maybe after joining your class, we'll have a broader insight. And from the face of it, social media seems like very difficult. It's a big lion. But when we come to you and your teaching, it seems like a cat to us now. So we can tame the cat now, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, sir. Now, may I take over?
Go ahead,
Hello.
Sanjay. Sanjay, you can go ahead.
Yeah. Okay. So, thank you all participants, and thank you, Risbir sir, for such a valuable session. And we can use it and we can prosper more. So, let us hope we will able to apply in our day-to-day business. So, I am really thankful to all participants and today's lecturer, Mr. Prasanna Risbur sir. Good night and thank you to all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak. Thank you very much once again.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thank you to everyone. And I declare this session is over. And now I'm going to close the session. So please leave the session. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks to all. Till there are nearly about 20 people. They all are requested to session. I would like to close the room now. Okay.